Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to make your WordPress.com experience smoother and more efficient, today's tutorial is for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to enable the top toolbar on WordPress.com in 2025 so you can navigate your site with ease. Let's dive in. First, open your preferred web browser and go to WordPress.com. This is where all the magic starts. Next, click the Login button in the upper right corner. You'll see options to log in with different methods, but the easiest is Continue with Google. Select the Google account linked to your WordPress site, and you're in. Once you're logged in, take a look at the right-hand panel of your dashboard. Under Quick Links, click on Edit Site. This will take you directly to the site editor, where all your customization happens. If you manage multiple WordPress sites, make sure you select the one you want to edit. You want to make sure the top toolbar is enabled for the right site. Enabling the top toolbar now, the moment you've been waiting for. In the top right corner of the site editor, click on Options. A small menu will appear. Simply check the box labeled Top Toolbar. And that's it. You'll notice that the toolbar now appears at the top of your dashboard, giving you quick access to all your key settings and tools. And there you have it. Enabling the top toolbar on WordPress.com is that simple, but it makes managing your site so much more efficient. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more WordPress tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.